Okurujira ari mukuru w'ebyo kwerinda kandi RDC Mwesigye Amanyire Ambrose abantu aba nizo bari omwe Simon ow'emyaka 3 hamwe na Mboningaba Umaru ow'emyaka 31 kandi bona n'enzarwa za Kanyamusinga omurika gwa Nyakajojwa omugombora ya Katete. Obwo nagirangu ekinombe eki kisira abantu bingi kandi bonka b'ebyo kwerinda baza kwemereza bokutimba omushenyi omwanya ogu paka batireho buryo bwo kurinda aba abari korramu omwanya ogu.
It's unfortunate that we got a disaster at this sand mine around 10 in the morning. Our people were submerged by sand in this mine, and very unfortunate that they couldn't survive. Efforts are still ongoing to retrieve the bodies. One was retrieved yesterday, another is still being worked on. The body and the vehicle both got submerged. One of the persons is being buried today in this specific village of Kanyamusinga, Nyakajojwa parish of Katete sub-county.
Twebaze Junior obiroroho butande ginebaho yatekereza okubigenzire.
Twine motoka twine ntupakira mbempakira na mugenzi wanje ukumpa wokino michkwatede na mugama witajya igure motoka akinombe ndete kumpulire cye ndikumanti kino mukine nkigwa nayiruka nabonza kunza magara ganje ate na muza kureba kuri ndeba mukama witayine naguruka nawe igure motoka yagwa hanse mugama waje motoka ekinombe kitire.
Abaferirwa abantu babo bashaba government okubawera mu kureberera amaka gabo abafire.
Nanyenge omwe abantu abafegwa na fegwa brother wanje basketball witu bari kwetwa Simon Katagira yabaye n'imyaka 31 nawe yabayishira hano yakuyiya kuko abandi bari kuyiya bonke cyo busasi yabasa gutaha kandi shasha munonga kushanga tukubasa kubona ko buyambi bwa speed kandi nshaba government yatekeho buryo ahubwo kubahamba nabone babona aho kibaye kubonaho ko mushoro ni tonterezo mushoro tukabe ntubasa kubona ubuyambi abantu bitu batungo buremeze ko tubasa kubabona ahati tune nturonda zishaza ikashaha 11 abantu bategwe kino ndisha 5 zo mu kasheshe no gusane zishaha tukabaze kubareba
amakuru